Starting a small shop business in Kenya is one of the most realistic ways for an ordinary person to build a steady source of income. Many successful business owners in Kenya today began with a very small shop, sometimes just a wooden kiosk by the roadside or a tiny room in a busy estate. The beauty of this business is that it serves basic needs. Every day people need food, household items, and small essentials. Because of this, demand never ends. If you are consistent, patient, and willing to learn, a small shop can change your financial life. Imagine waking up early in the morning, opening your shop, and seeing your first customer walk in to buy bread, milk, or sugar. That simple moment is the beginning of your journey. It may not look big at first, but over time, these small daily sales grow into something meaningful. Many people underestimate small beginnings, but in business, starting small is often the smartest move. It reduces risk and allows you to learn without losing too much money. To begin, you need to understand that a shop business is not just about selling items. It is about understanding people. You must know what your customers need, what they prefer, and what they can afford. In many Kenyan neighborhoods, customers are very price sensitive. Even a difference of 5 shillings can determine whether they buy from you or from the next shop. That is why observation is very important. Spend time in the area where you want to open your shop. Watch what people buy, how often they buy, and where they buy from. Location is one of the most important decisions you will make. A good location can make your business grow quickly, while a poor location can slow you down. Look for a place with many people passing by every day. This could be near a bus stage, inside a busy estate, or close to a school. The goal is to be where customers already are. Rent in such places may be higher, sometimes between 5,000 Kenyan shillings and 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month, but the higher sales can make it worth it. Once you have chosen your location, the next step is planning your budget. You do not need a lot of money to start, but you must use what you have wisely. For a small shop, you can start with as little as 25,000 Kenyan shillings or as much as 100,000 Kenyan shillings. This money will cover rent, stock, licenses, and basic equipment like shelves and a counter. It is important to avoid spending too much on decoration at the beginning. Focus on what will bring money back to you quickly. Stocking your shop is where many beginners make mistakes. Some people buy too many slow-moving items and end up with goods that stay on the shelves for months. Others buy too little and lose customers because they do not have what people want. The key is balance. Start with fast-moving goods. These include items like maize flour, wheat flour, sugar, cooking oil, bread, milk, soap, and salt. These are things people buy every day. As your business grows, you can slowly add more products. Buying stock at the right price is very important. Profit in a shop business comes from the difference between buying price and selling price. If you buy expensive stock, your profit becomes small. That is why many shop owners buy goods from wholesale markets. Places like Eastleigh, Jakamba, and large open-air markets are popular because prices are lower when you buy in bulk. Even saving 10 shillings on a product can make a big difference when you sell many units. After stocking your shop, you need to set it up properly. A clean and organized shop attracts customers. People like to buy from places that look neat and welcoming. Arrange your goods in a way that makes them easy to see. Put fast-moving items where customers can easily reach them. Use clear pricing so customers do not have to ask for every item. Good lighting also helps, especially in the evening. Customer service is another key factor that determines your success. In many Kenyan neighborhoods, customers prefer shops where they feel respected and welcomed. A simple smile and polite greeting can make someone come back again and again. Remember your regular customers. Learn their names if possible. Sometimes allow small credit to trusted customers, but be careful not to overdo it. Too much credit can affect your cash flow. As your shop begins to grow, you will start noticing patterns. Some items will sell very fast, while others will move slowly. Pay attention to these patterns. Increase stock for fast-moving items and reduce slow-moving ones. This is how you improve your profit over time. Keeping simple records can help you understand your business better. You do not need complicated systems. Even a small notebook where you record daily sales and expenses can make a big difference. Marketing your shop does not have to be complicated or expensive. In many cases, your location and customer service will do most of the work. However, you can still promote your business in simple ways. Tell your friends and neighbors about your shop. Use your WhatsApp status to share offers and new stock. Offer small discounts to attract new customers. Over time, word of mouth will bring more people to your shop. One of the most important habits in business is discipline. It is very easy to mix business money with personal money, especially in a small shop. Avoid this mistake. Treat your business as a separate entity. Pay yourself a small amount and reinvest the rest of the profit. This is how your business grows. Many people fail not because their business is bad, but because they do not manage their money well. Challenges will come, and that is normal. Some days sales will be low. Some customers will not pay their debts. Prices of goods may go up unexpectedly. Instead of giving up, learn to adapt. Look for cheaper suppliers, adjust your prices carefully, and keep serving your customers well. Persistence is what separates successful business owners from those who quit. As months pass, you will start seeing progress. Your stock will increase, your customer base will grow, and your confidence will improve. You may even start thinking of expanding your shop or opening another branch. This is a good sign, but expansion should be done carefully. Make sure your first shop is stable before moving to the next step. Starting a small shop business in Kenya is not just about making money. It is about creating something that belongs to you. It is about building a future step by step. Every item you sell, every customer you serve, and every challenge you overcome adds to your experience. With time, patience, and consistency, your small shop can become a strong and reliable source of income. In the end, success in this business comes down to simple things done well every day. Open your shop on time. Treat your customers with respect. Manage your money carefully. Keep learning and improving. If you do these things consistently, your small shop will not remain small forever. It will grow into something bigger than you imagined.